Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your password of your Outlook account. So first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop and in the web address bar type in outlook.com. Then it will take you to the sign in page and there you will have to enter your email or your phone number. After entering your email address, click next. And now, if you know your password, simply enter your password and click sign in. But by any chance, if you forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking the option forgot password. And then you will have to enter the last four digits of your phone number and click get code. Then it will send a code to the phone number which you entered during creating your account. Simply check your phone and enter the code and click next. And now you can reset your password by creating a new one. After entering your new password, you have to confirm your new password by re-entering it again in the next box. And once you've done that, click next. And there you have it. You have successfully reset your forgotten password. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.